You're looking for a dropshipping product that can take you from zero to a store that's booming with orders. You're tired of testing product after product without seeing the results you're hoping for. Trust me, I've been there. But today, I'm going to show you how to avoid that frustration. Hi, I'm Andy from the marketing department of Mega Digital, and in this video, I'm sharing the best strategies to find winning dropshipping products on TikTok, ones that actually sell. By the end, you'll have the tools and knowledge to find products that can transform your store. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down the key criteria for finding winning dropshipping products on TikTok. I will list some essential rules to follow, especially if you're just starting out. Without following these criteria, you risk wasting time, money, and effort on products that simply won't sell. So yeah, this is something you can't afford to ignore. First up, don't mess with big or heavy products. Why? Because shipping those can get really pricey, and that cuts into your profits. Stick with smaller, lightweight items that are cheaper to ship and easier to handle. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Next, try not to pick products that come in a million different options like sizes or colors, especially clothing. These types of items usually get returned a lot, and that's just extra work for you. Remember the rule, keep it simple. Gifts are a gold mine of dropshipping because people rarely return gifts. Besides, they appeal to a wide audience, and you don't have to worry as much about sizing or fit. Think about products that would make great presents for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions such as customized phone cases, unique gadgets, or personalized jewelry. Here's another pro tip for you. Go for products that are easily resellable. If a product gets returned, you want to be able to put it back in stock without worrying about damage or packaging issues. For example, things like tech gadgets, accessories, or home decor can often be resold as new. Now, when it comes to profit, aim for products that retail for at least $100. This gives you a solid margin, ideally between 10% and 30%. You definitely want to make sure you're covering your marketing and operational costs while still turning a good profit. And here's a big one. Don't compete with your suppliers. If they're already selling directly to consumers, it'll be tough for you to stand out. Work with suppliers who mainly do wholesale so you're not fighting over customers. Alright, now that we have a good idea of what to notice to choose the right products, let's get into how you can find specific dropshipping products using the TikTok Creative Center. Step 1. Access TikTok Creative Center. First, head over to the TikTok Creative Center, where you can search through ads that are currently running. This will give you a front row seat to see which products are being promoted and which ads are gaining attention. Step 2. Search relevant hashtags. Through your search on this platform, hashtags are going to be your best friend. Some of the hashtags to use while you're searching through this platform are TikTok finds, TikTok made me buy it, must buys, TikTok hacks, hands-on finds, and so on. Once you're in the Creative Center, enter any of the hashtags I have just listed out. Step 3. Apply filters for better results. You can find filter results by location. Let's say we choose the United States, and then choose the beauty and personal care industry, since we know from Google Trends that skincare is hot right now. Another important filter is the time frame. You should search for products that have been running ads in the last 30 days. This way, you're seeing fresh ads for products that are currently getting attention. After applying all the filters, scroll through the results and look for products that catch your eye. Step 4. Spot potential products. For example, one product that I spotted right away was the heated eyelash curler. Now this is a problem-solving product. It's a safe, effective, portable, and it has a wow factor. These are exactly the types of products that do well on TikTok. Plus, it's something that you can build a story around when creating your ad. Step 5. Check competitors. Next, we'll head back to the TikTok Creative Center and search for the specific product, in this case, the heated eyelash color, to see how many other advertisers are promoting it. You want to make sure the product isn't overly saturated, but still trending enough to be worth selling. And step 6. Analyze ad performance. Now let's dive into the analytics of one of these ads. Look at key metrics like engagement, click-through rate, and the number of likes and shares. If you see an ad with a high level of engagement, that's a good sign that this product is resonating with the audience. For example, one ad I found had over 8,000 likes, which shows it's catching attention. Step 7. Search products on TikTok. To confirm the product's popularity, I head over to TikTok and search for it directly. By typing in heated eyelash curler, I can see all the ads and organic content about this product. And guess what? The ads are going crazy. This product is being pushed heavily and has tons of engagement. Step 8. Compare prices with competitors. Once you found a product that looks promising, go ahead and check out your competitor's store. Look at how much they're charging for the product, including shipping. For example, one store was selling the heated eyelash curler for $28, including shipping. Now you want to make sure you can source this product for less, while still keeping the ideal profit margin. Step 9. Source the product from a supplier. To source the product, I try to head over to AliExpress and search for something like heated eyelash curler. Right away, I find suppliers offering it for around $6, including shipping. This falls well within the profit margin I'm aiming for, meaning there's good potential to make a healthy profit selling this product. Now that you know how to find the best dropshipping products on TikTok and the important criteria to consider, I've got a special treat for you. With the upcoming sales season, I've put together a list of trending dropshipping products for 2024 on TikTok. This list will help you stay ahead of the game and find products that are already making waves. You'll find the link to this list in the description box below. And that's a wrap. I've covered some crucial criteria for winning products and give you strategies for finding the best dropshipping products on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment below with your dropshipping questions or experiences. See you in the next video. Bye!